Today I'm going to talk to you about how to start a blog on your format website. Go over to the side panel and find blog. You'll then be asked to give your blog a name. I had mine enabled previously, so it's asking me to re-enable my blog. If that's the case, if you're re-enabling the blog, you can always rename the page by clicking up at the top here. I'm now going to start adding posts to my blog. This is how I'll add different content to my blog page. Go to Add Post and give your individual post a name. This will be the title that will appear with the blog listing. You'll then see I can start typing or add an item to my blog post. I can add text, and if I go to add item at the top, I can add images or video. I'm going to add some images. Press the Add Images button on the image set, and then you'll see this familiar screen where you can upload from your computer, import from a format page, or import from Dropbox. You'll then be able to adjust the way the display is with the display of the images. So you'll see this drop-down menu here, and I can choose slideshow, grid, or vertical. I'm going to select a slideshow. From there, I can also drag and drop my images or video into the order that I want, adjusting them in relationship to the text that I have there. Once I'm happy with the layout, I'm going to press Save Changes. You'll then see this screen asking if you want to publish the blog. This will make the blog post live to anyone visiting your website, or I can leave it unpublished. I'm going to publish mine to my blog. You'll see the published state of the blog post reflected here. And if I want to unpublish the blog, I'd simply toggle this and select Unpublished instead. I can also add tags here for SEO. I can add multiple tags, and this will help people to search for my blog posts. When I've updated my tags as I like them, I can press Save Changes. If I go back to the blog page, I can also adjust the settings for the blog page. This can be important because it will set how your blog appears on your website. So you'll see I can adjust the blog title. I can adjust the visibility of the blog, so I can take my blog offline or make it a private page. I can add in SEO details here. But these are the areas for display that I want to speak about. So the blog homepage style, I can either set it to posts or listings. Listings will just show a preview with the title, a thumbnail image, and a quick preview of the post, and then someone will have to click to read more. Or I can set it to posts, and it will be a running feed of the full listing. I can also adjust the number of posts that are on the homepage before it goes to a read more to go see more. So I'm going to set mine to 5. I'm going to, and then you can add a default image display. So if you know that you want most of your images to appear as a grid or a slideshow, you can set them here, but then you still have controls to change the display of the images for individual blog posts. I can also add social sharing links to each post, and I can even add blog commenting. For more on how to add blog commenting, please see our guide on how to add comments to your blog. I can also decide to hide the publish date on my blog post. This would mean that I don't want it to automatically add the date that I've published a particular post. When I'm happy with my settings, I can save changes here. If I go to my pages section, you'll now see that my blog is here in my Not In menu. I'm going to add this to my site menu. And you'll see my blog is now visible on my website. If you have more questions about starting a blog on your format website, please click on the help icon, and someone from our 24/7 success team would be happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.